Wagwan ENT.
Well, we're good. It's a beer vibes. I would like it. Our show. We're glad to keep back. What are you ready for the juggling yet? What do you want? What do you want? Who may have come up here and call me name? Oh! Cut it! No, in name Sucky. Then the competition. Copper flop. Then the competition. Jazzy team Maria to the look up. Who is in fear called Firelink's name? Find him enough, he call me name. Gossip, tell you, they don't know who they are from this. I check out them nine will come on this. Firelink's in the field. Black Chiney come call me name, me never dish them. Copper flop come call me name, me never dish them. All who want me defend myself, put up on one things if a straight shot catch you, no feel no way. Alright, play. Believe me, no man. No. All who want me kill me, I'm trying to send it. Black Chiney Alicantes, and the girl from here that cool pushing face. Coppershot we get a lot of shot in our face. Cause them stay we go be around go play the games. Jazzy, you go on good from now. But if you tap you up to a station and what catch you to? Come on. She bad come to town and live a Jazzy yard. Big up small voice, you don't know what I mean, you've got the voice and you got me, right? So why them up in me now? I don't want to defend myself. Do I not here? I was doing that. Every time you ever they with the phone underneath the fucking door. You be a son in the top and you go one in the top. Even though we know who they are us. And so down the time, them people was in the head and the bomb looking as a rest in the top. Even though no shot will rise the machine Firelink's. I got it in the Biggy a bullcat no bad doggy. Ras no 18 now. Black Chiney so cool no matter she come.
I'm turn up that night, them some of them are prisoner Barbados after some more this and from beat up on them place. I want them. Hey! I said no. But let me see them.
Days when they got them in them teens of the fucking needs. Nephew no have the
Hey, them fellows say, hey, are the big bad Coppershot. When you see Coppershot, you see be a girl. Girls are with pants, hey, not man, no. I let them feel like it's Michigan. No, that's small bite.
Shut it up! When you see some boy with that the girl, bite man, they must say bite.
Me never see you with no girl. Me find out who you are. Man must have food inside. Food inside you. I'll leave my stay apart. Me never see you with no girl. Me find out who you are. Man must have put food inside you. Food inside you. I'll leave my stay apart.
I was sitting here and I don't know if I counteract, you know. Cause some man go and them cut them tune and got them afraid for play it. On the pay out the money coming and so don't forget to the money's worth.
Small voice in the bag, it's your children. Adams and him friend, them couldn't find my own. Boy, if you know I feel me money by mine. So when them calling him, tell them no call mine. Come on, stop we. Burn fire, the goodness, hurt fire. Fight my glass, cupping like the church fire. They say not fire, cup up and fly. Then boy, lost down to earth, it's fire. It will kill fire, explosion, long life when I be me rise the Ruger, sunrise the Luger. Roll like the lion in the tuna. Never does it yet be rise, man.
Light man, left off the light. All out straight, turn on your lighter in there. Yeah man, let me see which lighter in the street. If you don't have the lighter, put up your cellular phone. All out straight, every lighter, every cellular phone. You know why? Turn it up!
But I just reach. Say yo, yeah, man, I said that. I want one. When the play some rhythm, I can get the thing started up, man. Follow them up. Yeah, let's try to only big enough. Don't pack down the thing enough. Coppershot, you don't know. Why can't come by Spanish sound and get and up down and run? Come on, them a ball. Don't know the son of a gun. The most fun of the fast in them. Them a ball. Them a ball. Them a ball. When you come to war, you know. Man, I see me. Let's a tall. Let's a tall. Bad man, I see my move. Let's stop. Not in the right foot. I'm a level. Let's try. You know why I'm make sure some turn up now night. Them some of them are prisoner Barbados after some boy this time from beat up on them place. I want them. Hey, I said no. But let me see it. Taylor. Hold on. Hear me I say. I will make call up next. So my head hot enough. And I don't know my thing going on. So a couple shots still a play, right? And then I have Razz Biggy, and I have a whole heap of sound, and the youth them there and everything set, and you like the place from night, though. So you want now. You see, before you lock back the place, I'm going to lock the place one more time. Alright, what do you say about that, ladies? Gangsters, what do you say about that? Come in and go on away now, I'm host the show and so on, you don't know now. So yo, play next to them then now. Yo, you know, I want to leave you. Dog, this one not the bad man thing, don't ramp it up. Yo, channel star. So the man you see me come from all first today, and I want to let them. Youngsters. Red shot, let's see one of the body farmer, that's up. They want to go easy. My rough face, my this. Shine the light for the people, shine the light. When you ready, sing it. That's right, y'all hear me? Hey, when you squeeze in the left pocket, I give you one mother very full, give us a gas. So the time I can't believe, you know, nigga, beer, they've got to go, give us a clear, never know, the AK beer. You want to say, you want to know, tell you, Red Stripe. Let me say selector you, because you like the place, you know. So, take it over and just lock it again and for the next 15 minutes or so, no? And then we come say something again and call out the next gangster for come select. You know, I'm going to call out clown for select one. You understand? Alright. So you want go and do your thing, out there?
Don't move. Because I know you don't like Informer. Right? So all I want to like Informer, put up your hand. If you don't like Informer, put up your hand. I know you don't like Informer. So shoot them now, Danny. Shoot them. Shoot them, Danny.
I don't know says Coppershot sound are the biggest thing around. I'm murder.
Lovely. If you're Informer, keep your name, son. Because I'm TV there, so I want. All I know you're the Informer, put up your 2 1 in the ear. 2 1 in the air, you youth.
I want to go back your phone. Say I'm the fence around. All the things that I found. Don't let your folks at town. We say, don't make me hold you. 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 Look at the white on my coat. Come and run off your mouth. Make them learn for you. When the time it come back. Don't make me hold you. Don't make me hold you. Don't make me hold you.
There's some tuning up in job. In a business all one next. But tonight, Jesus Christ. Let me tell them something again, because I'm in a prayer of people. Oh, no, I'm not praying on nobody. Turn up your lighter. Turn it up.
Sing a song of the free dog. Cup of praise the rest of food by the end of the song. Oh, the brightest man to me in Jamaica. Coppershot, sharp, ice, cut it. Something you know for your lamb, but no for them. Push you for best of all, but no for them. Can't list me down, my son down.
Turn it up. When you move on the front, say, turn on your lights right now. Light man, lock off the lights. All move on the front, turn on your lights up. Turn it up.
This is a pagan. This Coppershot boy from day one. The cake. Rest of them fool, that they kill the brave one. Gunshots spray one. Set up pagan, Coppershot right. In a Bush and Reagan. Shot them and kill them, snipe and bait on them. Poor face white like King and Shagan. At the stage one. Coppershot, the war starts, man, the car Sean. Who the hell to the K with the W for the boy run the himself for the in my eye. Sean, the black one that pull up on pull up on.
Shot too much, man. Couple shots up. If I were down there, leave us alone. I stop call up, pretending like a phone. Hard I get to cross. I make me tell them all the brass. Tell them all the stuff in woman. From that never be good.
I never said about Gary.
Some of them are party.
She said she want me. Squeeze her wrist and like the trigger of my bum. Come now, fuck me and folks are hard and make she come. Don't ask me how she run. Feel the power she turn. So can't take it up for your hands. Take it up and stick. Don't look around that. What's the position from? Hey, ready, start. Yes, I put me to fuck. My girl, I'm making that franchise. So the market, but you still on my run. I'm in the national.
Wait, man, what's your rascals? Them shall fire into the big man for us. Alright, now we want the title. I will feel so we can't take it. Because we're not afraid. I don't believe the sound effect goes up. Everybody goes up. Who they like turn the gun and get it off though? Get it off, daddy.
Don't let cut him, small vice, don't cut high, Mark J, Mr. Sean, Nero boy, if I let them play, I know, don't me eyes, me I say DJ, Daddy, me I say Jigsaw, Coppershot, style him, Coppershot.
I will just come to that young and so you. I know what's on there, that's what I
Rise up the rise, there are Coppershot, no tongue like ice, there are traffic, something we can't rise, there are strong whites and I, there are soldiers and rise, there are rise, there are Coppershot, no tongue like ice, there are traffic, something we can't rise, there are strong whites and I, there are soldiers and rise,
Before we get to the prayer today, what kind of prayer? Sorry!
Gangster, I am waiting. Prepare amazing grace in my heart. It's like no other. When them have no sister, no brother. Should I hear the voice scream and say, oh mama, the mercy can never be more. You left my darling love.
Turn it up! What is this big one for it? I'm the observation for the next one! Turn it up!
Mr. Sean, Big Cartel, music. Coppershot. The music is when them know them can't so. If I want them on, the whole of them are tired. Coppershot in them night. If I can do it, on the cloud is got them one butterfly. Like an ancestor be like, Mr. Sean, every light a sweet. Sean, tell them to do them one, but come here. I think fire on the two year video. It will be a cover on the fucking every night here.
We don't fear nobody, you know. What I got always in the show, we don't go down, you know. They're underestimating me, but we want us. So we make some fuss, you want to light up.
Say a Coppershot. If you know, say you have the one on the you know, everybody, them up like
That's what we want.
so they say to me now, because for them like, we see me now, we see them fire, Mr. Shot, everybody never done a country, now we want, so they say to me now, because for them like, we see me now, don't be in a body, just up in a camouflage, blue school and red sea, man,
Right now, we're going to start the thing them now, you know. We're not worried about no tune, you know. Put it over your stuff. Yeah, you say for them. Certain can't get harassed, you know. Big up all them people over there. That's how it's set up. Everybody come and play normal. No matter what challenge somebody. No matter what challenge links to us. They want these to us every year. You see? No matter what challenge, a big up friend and number one. We can't keep on yourself. Biggie, big up yourself. When you play like a bembe in there. This is not bembe, this is RAS. Everybody asks so Biggie so. You don't tell them.
Yo, Coppershot, I want to say. I don't know someone.
Turn it on. Fire these go street. Tell him.
Someone, a girl come in your mouth and give you an infection. It's a bump, get infection. Gunshot in your direction. Coppershot rise, but this street is the west side. On trigger we press.
Turn it up. Enough of them to them bad. And you be a pencil for Jesus everywhere. That belong to the girl. I don't want to know some boy going on your ear, so when I see them some boy, I tell them.
That's why everything nice. The place get warm, you know.
Turn it up. Be a friend. I mean, them small boys for real. Turn up.
Yeah, you know Coppershot. Hey, beware. Them boy I'm a girl in a fuck with her. Half finger here and half outside. Beware. They can't this Coppershot around here. You well me know a sin. When me check with them, so that they real win. Them
I lost this, I'm not strong out. Them boy that can't get me down. And that me say, all of the people right now who wants to sound dead, all who pay the money to see sound dead, who don't want your counteraction. So now every night I'm gonna be the Lego.
Hey, Coppershot, well, I want this street shot the other day. When them a say no, when them see the AK. Wow, wow. Hey, Coppershot, let go. Make it pray. Inside, no delay.
Yo, what could I possess a sound? Look up my rushing on them one of blood Jamaica town. Well, Coppershot, well, I'm even the fucking time. Cause you stand up in front, this way you bust up with them shooting on the ground. They say, what could I possess a fool? Them make no Coppershot, them I left the tool. Now we're making Razz Biggy, fire this, black Chiney, red and gold.
No, man, them run on your back. Them must have came and dance in a body bag. Them pussy, them just a carry on bag. And when we get shot, we hit them and play them on a crowd. From once and one was a do. You know that Coppershot, them a carry through. Some still a person, that's not for them a keep it cool.
Some boy and boy them knows face bleach on the way some belly skin. I don't want my nose some things to turn the sky so. Turn the sky so. Come say a thing. And the can't get it down so easy now. Nobody want to challenge things. Nobody want to rule us here and here. We're brave. We're not afraid. We're not responsible for our armor. Fire this big of a mistake by a cycle. We're not afraid. You know what I say? I'll kill it. I'm not afraid of nobody. Put up your hand here. Well, you know how I used to play Fire League so. But the Coppershot they play now. I know I'm not afraid of people. Yeah. Big up the toy bad man friend them. But the one on here, hear me no man. Talk to them, man.
Yo. Them are living a law. I want to them. Yo, Ross. Hear me, son, man. Listen to me. Listen to me. Boy, come boy. I'll pull up. Bullet. Come on. Yo, we don't tell them to Coppershot. Listen to me. With your Ross. Hear me, son, man. No, man. Nothing just like girl. All I was son, man. Nothing more than the gun finger. Tell them what they hear, so come on.
We don't just want to hear here. Oh, I say everyone. Tell him what. Stop with it. Stop with it. Stop with it.
Come on.
Stop with it, Eddie. Stop with it. Play some solo, play some good. Alright. Turn it up. Give us 45 seconds.
If the king of the winning, hold on. Easy, got it. Near up.
Turn it up, hold on. Hold on.
No variation.
No one can hear.
Hold on.
Turn it up. Everybody start in there. Start rock. Start the rock. When everybody in a rush, feel a rock. Rock. Turn it. Alright, you ready now? Come up the money, go. No one can hear, go. Jump the ball, go. You ready? No one can hear. Everybody don't forget, man.
Cause I don't play you round, they got to stay around. But we don't go when we off and we won't carry you round. So don't play you round, they got to stay around. Yes, come on, stop, it like the earthshake. It's like an earthquake. Push out the bar at first place. Look to make my birthplace. We make the earth shake. It's like an earthquake. Push out the bar at first place. Specializing most in face, specializing most in face, specializing most in case. Got down to pay the judge just in case. I can't go this just in case. When you work here to the
I want to see the people that know for them burn clear gun now. Youth, and listen to me now. They need to fix the sound and don't ramp with me now. Yo, what not do? Yo, China style. Yo. Turn top now. Yes, son, ready again. I'm a sleeping them and know them born bad man, go so. We know bad mind like them. We know want stop no youth. Time like them. We know if you walk with no green life like them. We know search. Never. That girl them love saga. Hey, what a be a gangster you know about when they go like a cassava. Ooh, and a straight down shot me push in at the place and she bother. Why? Cause you can't see me stuff and can't chat man like Marvel. I'm tough. Gangsters are run through. We know they want to tell you. So what them say now? Black Chiney. I look like a war I go on now. Yo, engineer, stop ramping the thing, you know. And yo, stop touch up the button them around this side, you know. Hold on your arm to some man. I host me get paid for host, mind people turn a ghost, you know. Red stripe, drink responsible, ready again. Yo, full clip, gonna stick on the road now. She start music. Come on, hype with your girl when me don't know. When me run now, them get gone now. Tell them, they're the real McCoy. Them a tag you. So Black China. Gangster. Come on, get the thing started out.
Tell them about the big album now.
Well, you don't know the album. I drop next week Tuesday. The Sinfully of David Brooks. Not even the Sinful, the Sinfully. Because I know I are a dangerous person. So warm. We don't need to forget the thing them start out and do a ramp for the people, you know. Because this is Red Stripe show and tell you. When you see the people them out there, enough money them pay them, we kill them. That me I telling you, so when you get the thing start out. If you can't get the sound start out, play a rhythm and sing something for the people them. Then, what's up, I can't sing something new for the album? Level. I can't sing something now for the album of people. Can I? Yeah. Me know them fear me. Me know Red Stripe, me know. Me hear them sit down and them dying fear me dead. Dying fear we dead for laugh and yam the fish and bread. But I'm sipping Hennessy and smoking a big head. Smoking a big head and have them girl in a me bed again. Me hear them sit down and them dying fear me dead. Dying fear me dead for laugh and yam the fish and bread. But I'm sipping Hennessy and smoking a big head. Let's try, listen what I want. I'm so far, my mates far, them not near me. Singing my song to let my enemies hear me. Steal them man up on a pitch like we cheer. When the business so big, the whole of we can share. Them a make a bag of talk, sound can cheer. One bag of noise, the fans can't hear clearly. After I sing my life story. Them a plan up, I try to take me glory. But they could never stop the mentor. Wish them luck in the bad mind and never. Them envy them brother, them shades at the weather. Them too corrupt, so them light like feather. Grass, me hear them sit down and them don't fear me. Don't fear me, dead for life. And I'm the fish and bread. I'm sipping Hennessy. Once the people I respect my father, Gusto. If I love the alliance, Gusto. I don't know. David Slew Goliath, so I'm one of your sons. One of your words could never pass, so I can't go down. Gusto. Gusto. I'm so far, me make far them now. Ras, take it over. So I'm supposed to read it now.
Next week, Tuesday.
Dead, I'm sorry for putting
over the album drop in all
so yo, Black China. Take it over.
Engineer. Oh. Engineer, turn up everything. I don't understand how people spend their money. I want to stingy with the volume on the sound. I walk one. Alright. Me hear Coppershot say, well, don't all are afraid of firelings. You hear me now? Firelings, if you are here, I am not afraid of you. This is sponsored by Red Stripe, so you can't too cuss no bad word. But firelings, I am not fucking afraid of you. Me no off your just. You don't have to cuss bad word if you have fun. All the girls will say your vagina tight scream. Intelligence. Them sound will come up here a while ago, boy. I mean, hear me now? Razz Biggy, we don't need to learn how to adjust and a good youth. Young in the business, and the first time I RAS. The last RAS, Black Chiney was there. And yes, so the real deal start. Big up Jazzy T, big up Firelings. What make the people enjoy their money now with the chin? Walk one.
Looking at the toughest RAS class Jamaican in the United States of America. I run shit. I kill for nothing.
This is Black Chiney, Miami #1.
Don't bring that shit to me. Again. You hear me?
I don't want them money's worth. Put 200 there right now. Hold the chin. Run that. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Turn off light them. Turn off some lighter. Return of RAS. Yes. Level. That's why they bad from me born, and that's why we go.
Black China. On to all the way my father, turn on some lighter. All the way my father, turn on some lighter. Come on. What a tune, man. Black China. Touch the road, the chick alone, bring back the clown.
Sorry, the boy that have violate. Them are gonna get level. All Jamaica not get defend yourself on. Why is the machines way up? I this is Chiney.
You tell them that Black Chiney. You tell them that hey, you say super. Yeah, that's new.
Really.
We got to feel them slow.
Them sound like we. Hear the snow.
Hey, some boy, I you want to play like we, but you can't play like we.
Well, I know. Me and man got a turn on the microphone. Let me sit down, video man. Excuse me, please. I know your time. Go sit down. I'm going to put a big man into up here so it now work. weeks ago, them have a party named Kings Remix. Yeah. Me not have to come clash with them because I killed them 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, I killed them. Them have one supporter, I say I lie. Some people just talk too much like that brother there. I'm going to play a tune for him right now, my father.
Yo, hey, that's Chiney. I tell them this is the days of gangsters and macars. Real fucking patriots. Some boys just chat too much.
My father, hear me now? Yeah.
Yo.
I'm just dead. Biggie brother, you're just dead. And a matter of fact, Biggie's sister. Right now.
Yo. Hey, that's Chiney. I tell them this is the days of gangsters and macars. Real fucking patriots. Some boys just chat too much. You say what on take off girls too much. Them come and rather not ask too much. Like them too much. Chat.
All who know say Jamaica, bad man place. Put your gun on here. All who know say Jamaica, bad man place.
When they squeeze it left my head at east. What's your name man on a leaf? But about please Jamaica. I believe you see the crime and can't believe. In a nigga there, the cost me go give them beer. Never leave, so they say here. Go ahead, just say about me. When it's more in a church and it was that. They gonna cut it up for your funeral. Me only put one tree.
The son want to turn up, right, Jazzy? Right now, I'm not care them. I get period if you want to turn it over your business. Sure. We're not even two drink liquor in so. A man can't give a red stripe for me play so. Hear me now. That dancer wants some enjoyment tonight, I'm not lie. All who agree, put your hand here. Run that tune there.
They tried to make me go to rehab. I said
no.
Yes, I've been black, but when I come back,
level. That's up for the girl then. All the man will say ganja for run Jamaica. Put 200 here right now. All of the man will say ganja for run Jamaica. Run Jamaica. Wait, Marshall.
Police try to take away my weed bag and I said no. Police try to take away my weed bag and I said no. Sex is not crack, so give me it back. No. I ain't got the time.
All right, let me go to party now.
So you're too bad, ma.
What my single ladies and single ladies scream?
And I won't go.
Party!
Static! Make it rain on.
Let's go!
Yeah, come on over here. Got a head full of snakes, better grab an umbrella. I'll make it rain, I'll make it rain.
All who know say them love that man, give me a signal. That's it.
You see you let them kill me. Don't cry, they can never take the chain from me. You have to pray for the enemy. What's wrong with the things I don't want to protect it? What's wrong with
Don't care, select a copy a while ago. I tell man to suck them mother. Me not try to select up to suck them mother. Testing them. RAS, big and serious. Engineer. Work on the sound. My father come here. No, hear me now. It was for tune. We there, we can't go nowhere. So it have to fix. The people and pay them money. If you want to turn it down here, we'll turn it down here. You put up the volume of it. Yo, hear me now. May I enjoy myself regardless. Yeah, but don't get paid. So now play. You see that tune right now? This is my father's biggest tune right now in Miami.
I'm going to listen to it. Listen to that tune right now.
Yeah, Black China, them for know so deal the girls, I'm different. We squeeze up the girls, I'm insert, you know what I mean?
Drumming my name with his fingers.
You know what I mean?
Singing my life with his words.
Young stuff for life for the girls, I love it.
Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life.
And the girls, I'm saying, yo, what?
His words killing me softly.
Bobby, so the girls, I'm good with the pen all.
Remix.
The girls, I'm one way. Squeeze them, just like the chick girl of them. Run them back, we up. Them other make them come out of the bedroom, she run. The pistol catch up fire. Black Chiney, them get a one stick.
Enough thing now, but yo, trust me, Willie, play it again. Let us juggle here, sir.
Yeah, Black China, them for know so deal the girls, I'm different. You squeeze up the girls, I'm insert, you know what I mean?
Drumming my name with his fingers.
You know what I mean?
Singing my life with his words.
Young stuff for life for the girls, I love it.
Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life.
And the girls, I'm saying, yo, what?
His words killing me softly.
Bobby, so the girls, I'm good with the pen all.
Rush, make a party now.
The girls, I'm one way. Squeeze them, just like the chick girl of them. Run them back, we up.
Let me work on the song, I work the song.
Them come out of the bedroom, she run. But I know how she done. The pistol catch a fire. Black Chiney, them girl I want stiff. Safe, oh God, what's the position from back? What's the girl skin clean?
We're gonna start party with each other.
Hey, my girl come up front and make some girl one shot. Ooh, the girls them want to themselves up next to me.
Get money, get money. Them are tuning it all. Money. Hey, rich boy, quick, niggas want shit tight, no stick. Just for the Yaris. Just out Cadillac. Here's a Black Chiney. Homie say driver. Just out Cadillac. Homie say driver. There's some D's on that track. Homie say, where's that Crystal? Just out Cadillac. Homie say driver. There's some D's on that bitch. Homie say driver. It's a don't stop attack. I mean that shade. You can't see my eyes unless my head is bent. You dig? No lie. You know it's. Wanna pay the money? Work with the song. Work with it.
We stay fly, don't lie, and you know this.
All the people are smoking ganja. Turn on yourself.
Stay focused.
Get people about because.
Put them up.
We in here. We can get the drum poppin', we don't care. It's going down, cause I'm around. 50 Cent, you know I get down. What up, blood? What up, blood? What up, blood? What up?
My father today. I'm gonna say my father, which part you are my brother from right now?
When I'm on the way, so lose again. Right! Black Chiney, they up on the gully side. If you want to know what you find Black Chiney, inform me.
Representing my Black Chiney. Rise up the ruffian. I'm a Chinese that come like ties. People that clear. Strap big so we can't rise. So boys and girls like a monster. Let's go! You understand? Pull it out of my way.
you can. A bad man no get me go broke it. Well, if I was off of my life, my house come on. Well, if I was off of my life, my house come on. Well, if I was off of my life, my house come on. House come on. Play a tune now.
Yo, so them a gangsta and them gyal around them head. Tell them fit up the street and tell them when we got them dead.
Sorry, no, thank you very much.
No gyal never run me head. No gyal, yeah, sit down for me. Me say no gyal,
no gyal,
no gyal,
no gyal, no gyal, can't sit down for me.
No gyal,
no gyal,
no gyal,
no gyal, no gyal, can't sit down for me.
Oh, nigga, do you know what this is?
Oh, it's so right now.
Yeah, what's the deal?
See, so alright.
Here we go now. Oh, nigga, do you know who you with? It's 28, yo, up in this bitch. Got some German,
no French truck, he's a solo.
C-shot, Rugas with an extra clip. He said, back on that gangster shit. On my way,
all respect, Caesar. Turn out some lighter right now. All respect, Caesar. Turn out some lighter.
Sizzler clutch.
Sexiness, I need some of mine. Come kick it in me, shawty. Give me that
clutches in the drawers.
and let me work it hard, yeah, hard. Don't you fuck me, girl. Why not, my dear? I'm here to rock your world. That's fine with me. I'm here.
We're gonna play some tune for the girl.
Why not, my dear? I'm here to.
Every time I drop my shit like Chiney.
I was getting some hinano, getting some hinano. I was getting some hinano, getting some hinano. I was getting some hinano, getting some hinano.
That's on the red stripe version.
Each and every night. Each and every night. Each and every night. We got a rope around a corner like Ricky Spice.
Well, I don't know the pressure.
Well, shall not be a boom. I love her. This is what I love
Everybody in us are Jamaican, right? Who own Jamaica? Put a two on the right now.
The world is mine. Me know them bad mind from ever since. Everybody know them got to you, them for them things. Don't forget me from the sun, them on the sing. Man, a gangster for life, them boy they are. That Chiney dog, ever strong. Them stay beside with them, no have no back, your man. No man, have no back. Any man have man back. Yo, them Bobby Chen, and them first started, now them run down to the soap. When them see me make a mad step, now me am a choke.
Yeah, level, Russ, big and serious. We really and truly apologize for the sound system. It's a tune, and I'm going to organize it for the rest of the night. I really and truly apologize, because certain things it for go on and rare, but we're just a party still, because you don't know that is music, and that's reggae, and we love it, and this is Jamaica. So the ladies,
hear me now? Bobby Chen, look at them girls, let them know. Been warning them for a long time. Yeah, good. Don't be out of here, man. I know we are girl. Back it up down. Bring it up down. Jack it up down. Hear me now?
Would I see them, girl, you want would I see them? Black Chinese girls, would I see them? Walk out with your phone. Jump around. So tell a little dirty girl, back it up down. My back, turn it back, yeah. Check it up down.
match around be the man.
I go man, I know the man.
What was special guest around? So we can see what one.
They were back the girl. You have to call out the phone. You want
it's all about Beer Vibes right about now. Beer Vibes 2K7. Yeah, thank you very much. It's all about Razz Promotions and the whole entire crew. Big up to ITV in the building. Alex Frost holding down my videography right about now. Now tonight is all about history. Movato's first time as a host, taking over the hosting fraternity. Big up Flex in the Complex, Bugle and the whole entire crew. The Sake and everybody else. All my Zip 103, Zip the Cracks, one love to you too. But right about now, you know, all my ladies, if you got your man out there, get real close. Get real comfy with your man. Get real tight with your man. Because my girl Rihanna is going to show you how to keep your man. Because through good times or bad, no matter if it's raining or sunny, you always need to walk with your umbrella. Hey, let's go, Black Chiney.
Pick up all the real dancers in the house. Real dancers in the house. Pick up every real dancer in the house. I'm going to play a tune right now. And when I say that tune alone, when I say no sound in the world can't play the tune, I'm Black Chiney alone. And we are starting the dance segment like this.
Black Chiney's here and have
the party.
Massive and crew. Black Chiney on your case. Alongside Marcel Business. Bobby Chin, Super Duke.
Watch the busy now.
Watch it. See the now, one in the world. Extra special. You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric. Ooh, Black Chiney shocking.
Thank you, Mr. Engineer. Yeah, man.
You gotta know it. It's electric.
Watch your back, see it.
He's gonna show it.
Right, Jeffrey. Oh, no, this is Marcel Business 2007 now. Marcel! You're a Marcel Business now. What is that party now? Yo, I can't take a sir. What is that? Security. Watch your camera. Achoo, nobody can come by. It's really cheap. Alright, engineer. Deal with this right here, sir. Because the people up there are paying the money. We can't be outside our work and come back here so I deal with this. We'll start party. Let's go! What you gonna know, stop with the
Watch the bring down, all bring down drop tonight, you know that. I bring Batman, bring up a up to shut up. Stop shut I don't miss. Them say me arise. Make people eat fish and bread and over. Yo, slow down, baby. Slow down, baby. Slow it down. Come on, call up my brother. I want to call out my brother before me even call out the sound. Now you talk, him have a hard. Flex, so you there? Flex, so you there? This is RAS. So represent. What am I doing, RAS? One today! Them say them go rain for shoot, me bad for shoot. When me see them inside, me see a rain for shoot. Spontaneous, me not feel rain for shoot. No take that. What am I doing? Yo, me bust me go early Sunday morning, power cut till late the Monday. Kingfisher, the news, the Tuesday evening by Wednesday. Let me pull up that. RAS big up on yourself, my father, you don't know the thing said. You saw me and say I roll where I roll through and go and vibes it up. Give me a track there for car, you don't know the thing go. What am I deal with? Vex to the complex, perplex, then body get down next. Grand Spence outside, Timothy Garden, what am I deal with? Vegan fraternity till eternity. What that? Run some chat there. Cause you don't know when I come here, so to lame up the thing, you know. What am I deal with? Some boys say them a bad man and I them guns for rooftop. They tell them that when they say them bust them own a gun. And the boy can't run away from one to come from. What am I deal with? Level me rhythm. Lever. Big up Bounty Killer, 5-star general. What am I deal with? Yo! Me bust me gun, put up me gun, kill fish, can't find me gun from. A gun fi gun, me kill fi fun from, dust fi run. Some good gun me don't have. Me bust me gun, put up me gun, king fish, can't find me gun. My brother, you want to say something to them? Listen. Hear me, sir. Jazzy T, where you, sir? You ready? You ready? Alright. Stand up. I must believe them from RAS now. One was them burn bad man, go so. And break loose again. Them lose your RAS. The world is mine. Me know them bad mind from ever. Everybody know them got to you, them for them. No back out, me flip me from the moment. Mother, gangsta for life. Dogs, never strong. Them stay level. You see the college for me come from Alpha. Gangsta need them thing different. We know some boy who have to live for the cops, them car. Them do them work. Some more time, from the police, them know say everything good in the community, we know say everything good. Because I don't know where gangsta and tell you what. Gangsta not troublemaker. We don't really do the troublemaker thing. Gangsta. And gangsters stand up for righteousness, same way. But you hear me, big up the police officer them, but you hear me different, you hear me? Gangsters, you don't dash your gun when me see 5-4. Ain't funny, even if you see the breaker. And if I tell you, Jazzy T, Renaissance, represent to the fullest. Boom, this is RAS, Red Stripe.
Bad man. Pull it.
Engineer, give me some volume on the fire. Fix it up. Now, RAS, everybody listen me keenly. A pure foolishness are going from night. But now I lie. Fix up my voice, engineer. Let me tell you something. If every song when come up here and talk about war, the dancer get boring. You understand? But a man make a speech, me not afraid of nobody neither. So anything is anything in the morning. You understand? Come and loaded. But you see right now the place wants some real tune, don't? The place wants some real music. When the ganja light up, they turn them on. Light up in the now. Light up in the rush. No. So what? Finally the herbs come around. music right now, you know what? Light up in there! Light up, light up, light up, light up! Light up, light up! Engineer, don't worry yourself, man. Everything good, man. All real gangster now, real tune rap play. Real tune. Miss your real music rap play. You wait too long, man.
Modern vampires of the city.
Light up! Light up! Light up in there!
You could have come from Rima, or you come from jungle. You could have come from Firehouse, or you come from Tower Hill.
Everybody looking at yourself. Ladies, if you prefer take a box down than make a girl kiss you, scream. Every man right there, if you prefer take a gunshot than make a man touch your bottom, say pam pam. That means that every man for you jump on the shoulder. Hey!
You sit down, take a piece of bread.
Me love it, man. I'm gonna put it in front of the balance on God. Do this. Love put on the bed. Love put on the bed. Love put on the pants and me down. Love put on the bed. Love put on the bed. Love put on the pants and me put on the guinea. Just one minute from there.
Oh, somebody talk about war. I want to talk about war. Oh, it's so. Oh, it's so.
Back in penitentiary, long gone misery. The free alone, I grew up amongst the mad.
Me see a real music me come for play. All the respect Bounty Killer right now. Give me some gun finger for Bounty Killer. Who know why hear some real tune in the morning say pam pam. Bounty Killer. Well on man. Ras, who remember? Everybody know that tune. Everybody sing it out now. I want them to remember that Bounty Killer. Let me see the real Bounty Killer fans. Remember that Bounty Killer?
Bounty Killer on the borderline. Big Mac level with a polish shine. However, I don't play for the same time. Down the night side. No other word I go for.
Mr. Rush, I saw a real tune up here. I mean, the Josie. What about the Bounty Killer?
After all, once my name was Razz. What was the company race of Razz? Like Paul. No, you didn't want to run money. You call you saw the men Peter and sorry call Razz. So we gonna pose up like a wall. And they do what is supposed to look like a man. You could have big or small. Could have not at all. For you this me and me gun be like you will never fall.
You see, I like the tunnel. I like that somebody don't know more about this. Somebody don't know more about this. Somebody shoot down the water. You don't know what I shoot at.
Yeah, that's why they tell them to take me, advice me, break me. Cause no more living on a country.
Who don't know rap with me? Yes. Me a sing for the real remember tune. Who don't remember all of my informer say pam pam.
Moderation, people are black without a cause. When I make no art, moderation, every time you hear your big crime bunch up on the front line of the kitchen, I say, yeah, how do you find that video? You Coppershot,
easy. When can you scream?
Shutting head, no need to ball, no need to beg. Youngsters no sleep, believe. Hold on. Another skull bus, man receive another gunman.
Me say every girl that you know you're not a lesbian. Every girl you don't know, every man dance, you know you're straight.
The baddest instinct, it needs to leave.
Man, tequila, where you at? Where you at, killer?
Girl, I found some time on the next time.
Ras! Someone will tell me about Mr. Ras. But Mr. Ras, let me tell you this. Someone will shut up their mouth from there. So remember that tune I'm going to use my Timberland boot and kick out some white.
Hey! Yeah, man. I get some boy I call about my Tech 9. They might Glock. They might Rod Master. They might Pussy. Name brand gun. And the old committee on top together, we have 3 guns in the committee.
Seriously. The man said no gunshot, yeah? Yeah. The man said no gunshot, please. Me no say the man's man, you know. Me have man selector. You think I come back from white people? You must see man. Me have, yo, listen there. Well, I fix up this up. Sound is chicken again. Listen to the people are
long time me riding and me riding away. Want to touch it on the bullet progress. You know, with them a progress. Touch my belly, rope up your progress. Ride on about east, west, north and south. I have been known by my big black coat.
fix it up.
Make me pop out. Show to me in body.
I am an expert man DJ, you know.
Sometimes the back of some of them are running back to your road. Sometimes the back of some of them are running back to your road.
The promoter that called from about 3 months ago. I said, Jazzy, we're going to bring back Ras. But Ras cannot do without me because we bring enough vibes to people. You understand me? So I see that true now. Hey, look. You remember Russ 10 years ago? Who remember Russ 10 years ago? 7 years ago? I remember Russ. Yo, let's tell us some real music radio tonight. We didn't hear that thing. You understand me? Real music. A matter of fact, finally say to big up the area code crew. Because right now, now play some tune or some song. Now play. Big and serious. Every man will love the girls and pump pump. Let's put your hands over this one. Now looking at shine the light in this one. Any man that like that tune there, leave the venue now. Me say any man that like that tune there, leave the venue now. Okay. Light it up. Someone play some tune here. The tune them play right. One day them play some boom 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 like them a race tune. I know the dance ready for this. Right now.
I don't care what I say.
Right now.
I'm gonna touch the road. Say what? Rest in place. My special in a face.
My father wants a second and lock the place. Listen to you, Razz. Listen to you, Razz. Listen to you, Razz. This is how you feel on the justice. I'm going to be happy. are the next youth. Ross, if you don't believe me, I swear, that you tell your kindness. Believe me, Indiana. I want to believe me. I'm a customer piece store. Then them no brand. Brand new coming up there now. We got a picture. Ross! I just all my friends from a Tony Club. This is not the on the traffic. I'm on tapping. One more time, I'm inviting up in. Just do this, nothing, I'm making tapping. Mr. Yassisi, people that are plans. They don't hear me from Bible. Two months, they fucking white. Then try to make it for your people night. Hold on, no. All the real bounty killer, turn on the light on them. We're not afraid of the fishing boy. Somebody move like fish Ross. Walk to them. Walk to them. Walk to them. Somebody want to be Mr. Ross. I want to them. Walk to them. You plug out the tin in your family.
Renaissance, gangster for life.
Yo, listen to me how you're plugging out the tin.
Perpetrator, swiper and skater. I know. That's the thing. They all want.
All you want that man right now.
But them can't. And I said they want to know. Cause I'm a beast, you wanna play one. Real. Gangsta, man, we got to start. Let's go! We don't want to swing like this.
Ross, what are there? Two more may play. 1+1. Then one another number, so you're afraid. Light man, lock off the lights. That's the all who did there, Ross, 10 years ago. Because someone shut off them out. Hold on, 1+1. Hold on. 1+1, because when you drop the banger tonight, it's not normal.
Word up! And Renaissance for the Y2K we were more than advance. Word up! Hey Billy! Word up! Mr. Jazzy T, Dr. Dre. Word up! This is Baby Chef, we don't give him off a big jack. Hey Chicken, check it out. Boy, it's entourage. That's a war.
There's a war, them a big time, them that's a paper. Hold on. Don't stop it. My father, are you a singer? Yeah? Listen to me. Some man come up and shut off them up. Wicked. They don't know what to reach them in the morning. Also man got a RAS. And them not play the gangster RAS. And who are the gangster RAS? And who are the gangster selector? Squeeze.
Hey, so Jazzy, don't say thing, but that's not the thing, money, because if you think you remember us, you have to play the gangster us. Yeah. So, my card.
Well, wait till they run off them out to them morning and we'll come up, man. See ya.
Yo, one side, Jazzy T show. say now? What you say? Yo. Jazzy thing. I'm telling you, say stop ramp with the thing them now. Cause you see Jazzy T just locked down the place, I want to know. But you me say you have a madman on me, them a call him name from night. But I know how it a go. Yo, play some before we call out. Yo, Links, I hear a song this. Yeah, me. If you don't hear Fire Links, go so. If you don't hear Jazzy T, go so. No, we don't stop. Way up on the golden side. If you want. I hear everybody say, Links, we have to kill Links. Some people, one of them can't kill Links. So one of the Links, I forgot different him thing, no? Alright then. Fire Links. Fire Links. Hear me say Links. From 9 me every man I call up your name. I say boy, Fire Links are go dead. Me don't know it's all go car. But me and the still say never see what I go on, no? Yo, don't think you can't kill me. Tell them no. Big up on yourself, Beer Vibes, Fire Links, take it over. Hold up. Engineer, relax. The headphone I work with that. I hear it now. Everything I heard. Here we know. All I see here. Big up all out there. How are really going? I don't know what going from night. What going? Jazzy run and say, me never this year, no. Alright, Jazzy, I'm a friend. Touch them though, me lighter them there. And Beer Vibes, make me start it up down here.
Let them know some fire sound. I want to them a clown. When them say them want the clash, them must say this a RAS, them must say frost. Drop it no man just like that cause it's hot now. Put up the lighter them. Black Chiney looks up, Coppershot, click, Jazzy T.
Him old liquor, but him tongue stiff.
Pussy them a chew.
Pull up now.
Make me understand down there. When I say fire, you say song. Fire. When I say fire, you say links. Fire.
Fire links, let them know some fire sound. I want to them a clown. When them say them want the clash, them must say this a RAS, them must say frost. Drop it no man just like that cause it's hot now.
Put up the lighter.
Black Chiney looks up, Coppershot, click, Jazzy T.
Him old liquor, but him tongue stiff.
Pussy them a chew. That's why them a go get slow. Cause we just a
Well, play chop too. Jazzy, I feel away, I'm afraid, yeah? I feel away, Jazzy, I'm fun. Alright. We're not ready for the juggling party. Kill some more people, no? My man understand, kill them! Squeeze that one there. Hey, where is it? Little speak on it. Hey, gonna be my peace. Hey, where is it?
After our Black Chiney plan, come and RAS BEER, them want this the fireman. Wherever strap with the AK-9 man. Me not this Chiney people, but me yourself your dog go to them pull up now. Just to see it man. Come tell us you see them there.
Make me understand down there. Pick up it.
Come and RAS BEER, them want this the fireman. Wherever strap with the AK-9 man. You not this Chiney people, but me yourself your dog go to them pull up now. Just to see it man. Can't follow me, see them there the side man. Short tongues and understands and release guy. Come on, try to tell me say. Them not go on to the next item.
when we reach, we just go connect it in the studio. Jazzy, you're my friend. And you alone be the vibes of the life. But you play smart. But RAS in the neck. You don't want to call my name. I want Jazzy. Me don't have on. Me don't have sting. That you make him fire go like you're afraid. Let me tell you something. Who remember the dance we called the Mr. RAS? Who remember the RAS there? I wish to did you set it. Which tune did you set it? What RAS tune? No, me not talk the General B. Who remember the Cape Town? Who remember the Cape Town? Let me show you the RAS anthem. Let me show you. Yeah. If I keep it burning, if I keep it blazing, if I keep it burning, red hot. Hey, I'm just some RAS. Who they in a RAS? From your day in a RAS. You know like it's up man, then make me see some fire flash. Who they in a RAS? From your day in a RAS. Them just stand there, come and see get jazz. Who they in a RAS? From your day in a RAS. You know like it's up man, hold up your hands and clap. Who they in a RAS? Who they in a RAS? Show the world say you're not this slap. I'm gonna say what you know more friend than this one. Let's go come here. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I want them some murder. So they say they get to RAS. They get to RAS. Because this Mavado, are you on the horse? Me couldn't compare Mavado and play normal Mavado. All who got say RAS Beer Vibes start keep back. Put up the hand them in the air. All who say RAS Beer Vibes stop glad set to keep back. Put up the hand them. Put up the hand them. Let what I want them. Let what I want them. From our parents, them take this thing out the show. What's everything set up, Kevin? Everything is up the lights on them. Same one, never fire sound in the place, when links. Touch RAS, the word place lock. Young stuff like boy, you know what's on. What's everything set up, Kevin? Everything level. Same one, there's the bed. Sound in the place, when links. Touch RAS, the word place lock. Young stuff like boy, you know what's on. Pull up. No, cartel, 7. Pull up. Yo, when I'm back, something up on the stage, man. We can't even move freely. Why they speak something up at church? Anyway, we are working with it and Beer Vibes. I would like it at our show. We're glad to keep back. We're not ready for the juggling yet. We don't want to kill them someone. And who may say come up here and call me name? Coppershot, which one of them? One on. Only that talk. Oh, smart voice. Me not think so, I'm afraid that. Oh! Cut it! No, in name Sucky. Let me tell you something. Don't bite the hands of feed you. I mean teach you to talk from the rusted microphone. I mean teach you to play sound. You see how you're noisy like me? Oh, you feel what I call my name. You know no sense. All I would know say what? Sometimes at the small things, it's not the bigger portion hurt you. I'm gonna tell you something. All I will say, any boy disrespect your mother and violate your family, you defend your family to the end. Put up the hand them. All I will say, clean out above all things. Put up the hand them. Let me tell you something. Miss Matty's son, Tony Mataran, anywhere you're there, big up yourself. If you never there, so. If you did there, I feel like I would have a better party because them dopey they can't play me. Them that competition, copper flop. Them that competition, Jazzy team Maria to the little. But this is Batman party. Take it off.
It's
plate, a different thing. I'm gonna tell you something. Some people easily switch. Loyalty before royalty. We can keep it clean and still burn some people. Some boy will push out them back part, book out. The man them want one boy can't climb the light tree, put your two on iron. Put up your lighter. Put up your gun on. Turn them on.
No shit on the killer, yes, I'm a saver. I'm a million problems, I'm a Johnny. From a victim from working up with brain from
Me got no competition, me got no me on.
Me no gonna know it, gonna know. Me there see we get. Them close again. Gonna go the gangster. They are money on the side.
Biggie, you know what I done them? Before you done them, one, can start out something. I'm gonna tell you something. I hear some little boy come call me name. Let me tell you something. We not deal with sellout. We not deal with sellout. How you have to try this to government? You're not an idiot. Shock tree. Shock tree. Me not call him name. Me not call him name. Me not, who call him name? Why name? Why name? Why name? He left me son for visa. After me send him a some small island and say, what on little bit? Him say, no, he want to reach a Miami. Yes. And that's why them say, you look girly. Let it go.
Come to the time, fire lanes. You know, we've been to the worst and the best and the study. Just you know, so there's up in time.
Turn it up. The man never know the boy can't kind of like you. Jump so with the gun. Turn it up. Turn it up. Hey.
Fire means not by one call, but if you make and call, that's the rise and fall. So if you keep back here, if you woman call, cocky them real and bad. Papi, it's me that them sucky your right down. No bet this someone call, jockey, it no but you, backy, no but you, backy, it but you pussy. If you leave this like you, packy me now, jockey like them as two. If I do it up in the rise of my name, me so
when I say fire, you say links. Fire, fire. When I say fire, you say son. Fire, fire. She bad a friend, keep you on your side. Me don't know him, me a wave. She bad a friend, keep you on your side. Me don't know him, me a wave. Let it go. Let it go.
I wanna can't stop it. I will put you on the wall and grip. This one violence. Get Winchester, I wanna chase it. I took all my life.
What do you say to you? What up? Just it there. You're my friend. Maria, you're one of the baddest selector uptown. And me now this for the night. For the rest of the night, me not call your name. You're my friend. But through me cut the tune them and me already prepare myself, me never know what you're up to. So if me never play them with a sound bias, right? You know say right? Thank you. Oh, I'm look again, I think I track 15. I hear some bounty killer play. Track 14. Oh, you said this me again? The dark louder, man. Oh, this me? Oh! Let it go.
Hello, fire legs. Motherfucking niggas said they been bringing fire lights and fire hacks and Wednesday. In fire, these motherfucking junkies gonna say. Hello, it's wrong to kill alongside me to cut to them girl golden duck. Hello.
Tell you come on, you make no name yet. Who is him to call fire links name? Find him not to call me name. Go so, tell you.
They don't know who they are come this. I check out them nine well good on this. Fire links with a beautiful. I'm a bad man, so if they eye up on us, they show life.
No man taking a fans enough. What When it come on to Bunty, Bass of this, King of these, Bodyguard, and them sound them. Since they are matter one go power, I will cut some of the baddest Bunty them. Just you play some wicked one, but you miss out the one. What the Bunty fans them, turn it up! Set them back up me up, put up on the recent contest. Why is the Bunty? When the boy up, knock it up! One boy, Biggy, come here. Yeah, I'm a shooter. Now, boy, I'm not violate you, I feel like a joke thing. If anything, the police have to take away my license gun. I'm not play people. Bullet drop some boy.
Firelinks, yeah, I'm a general. I talk that anywhere I go. Firelinks are number one. Older like that chopper snake. Black Chiney come call me name, me never dish them. Copper flap come call me name, me never dish them. All who want me defend myself, put up on one of the ear, now make me see. Me I go kill the one of them now. Links if a straight shot catch you no feel no way. Alright, play.
Believe me, no man. Beer vibes. Them for no say, you know, I saw the thing said, it's serious. Jamaica this. Who like it, who here to. Who here to, what here to. Beer vibes, Razz.
No. All who want me kill Black Chiney said dead.
Black Chiney and the contest. And a girl from here like cool push them face. Coppershot we get a lot of shot in our face. Cause them still go no beer run go play for days.
No. Jazzy, you go on good from now. But they have to tap you up to a station and what catch you to. Turn up.
She bad that come to town and live a jazzy yard.
Pull up. What am I? What elephant there?
Come on, uptown. From nightmare with sound, come and go out and take the people them to cloud. Who the devil say good night. You never want to blow them.
Yeah, different myself. No, come in never call him.
Now I'm from bad man.
But that's the friend, alright.
Alright. I want to sound that.
Put up your one here.
What's up, Ras? Me have some things when me well want chat. Me know them a go back, but me no get to fit that. This Razz and Biggy will kill your passports. Bad man like gun, you know how we forgot. Them find a dildo in a Javi, take your back. Big disgrace, one over certain place. Them catch the leader, sit down in a Bobby chin face. When you hear that one guy, you want to laugh. Feel the pride in monkey, the pirate and Caribbean. Take with the law, no eye. Some shot a up and don't you the down. Above here, them catch a white man selector down there, a play figure. And so Biggy, they are big figure.
But God, me defend myself, me then Firelinks, I shoot up the place and done. Yo. Biggy! Don't move. Biggy! Don't call me name. No, you don't call me name. Me don't call me name. Biggy, you're jealous, no? Of course, you are really jealous. A girl can't come up here. I want a girl come up here. Come here, my baby. Come here, my baby. You can't send around them girl there. No, my friend, if you have a girl beside him. Ask her, send around them girl. Come here, please. Come here, my friend. Come here, now, biggie size, me like you. Come here. Come up here. I'm a friend, come up here. Black and beautiful. Biggie size. Stand up this up. Biggie, move to her. You're my shatter friend, me a find out what I want. If you don't have no girl beside you, you're unfeeling at the ear. If you don't have no girl beside you, you're unfeeling at the ear. And you say when you're on in the ear, and the dancer you're going to do. What am I saying? You're going to do your dancer, you're unfair go up and do with it. Alright, Biggy, already? I could do with them, Jana. Wicked, let it go.
Hey, fire song. Big girl, them want away. Hey, Links. Me know she want away.
She got a friend to be on your side. You don't know if they are with us. They are with us.
She said she won't. She's everything like the sugar of the gun. So now.
Y'all the dance! That's it. That's it. Come there, one. No, you ain't gonna one. That's it, William Ras. Some boy don't know when Ras is a keep up. Some boy a debut Ras. How would them?
Yo, I know them not catch my foul. You play a tune with the Ras. They have one thing. No, you're going good, man. My forward, wicked. Terrible thing.
Just who not catch a foul? Call him.
Listen to me. What do you want tonight, man? First thing, I don't cut no tune in a body name. My tune them dangerous by themselves. All the some more. Links, let me find a tune. Links, play Alexa. Play Alexa, Links. Let me find a tune. Biggie. Wait, cut you one cup. What is? No. Ras. We don't have foolishness. Links, let me just get the people.
Hear this, just it, line up your tune. Anybody with them already can't come up here. All what we say, come here! Sucky can't come up here! See there? One that expel. Let me hear you say, Sucky, go home! Everything, Chris, just it, line up your tune then. Line up your tune then. Line up your tune then. Am I first round that? You're tight, Jesse.
Yo, don't let them go up and shut off their mouth. They don't know me. I'm me govern uptown. I'm going to play everywhere all over Jamaica. I want to do some more. Yo, play that tune. I'm not saying not more. Ras, when that tune up, every night.
It's when I start saying full flight. That's right. I'm going to say judgment. Yes, when the start to speak to them with the musical selection, no? Hey! We go, hey, it's about to be.
Rasta, right there! I thought I see one more time box. Wait, Coppershot up there now? Or what is? Somebody run up them out early, I'm sorry for them. Give them a chance. And Links up on this side that. Because they're dead already. Yeah. Links say anybody with dead can't come up here. Fire Links! No, we're not a friend of them. We're not worried. We're not worried. Fire Links. All the people, hold on, we don't want Coppershot to defend themselves? All who say Coppershot to defend themselves, that's all. Yeah, so they better come good enough. Or they better come good. Small voice for me.
Cutty, John here, because a psycho in our vibes, violence. You have the general, but a psycho. You have to have some look of brave youth where I will come up to come take on the big man then. Because we're not afraid, we're not coward. We're not them pure breadfruit. All over we different, we say 200 in a year. Everybody over us put 200 in a year, we're not afraid.
Hold on, man. Big up small voice, you don't know what I mean, you've got the voice, and you call me, right? So why them up pick on me now? I don't want to defend myself 200 in a year. 200 in a year. I'm still not.
Every time you ever lay there with the phone underneath the fucking door, give me a sign of that. Oh, one night at all. Every time you know somebody are Ras. And so time you tell them, them people was in the air, and the bomb go class, rest by that time. Every time. Gosh, I'm rise the machine, fire leaves. I go dead in the Biggy, a bow cat, no bad doggy. Ras no 18 now. Been that Chiney, so cool, no matter she come. Gosh, I'm on them, Defend
myself! Violence! But tell us how you are the general, right? You have to shoot them. Me I shoot them, kill them, no! Right, yes or them dead, no! One play! Right machine!
Shoot
Medicine ya them bruise them teeth stretch boom boom. Rise up the Bible in a Razz
Hear me now. Oh, now hear me. Oh, now hear me. Oh, now hear me. What Saki come do a while ago? What Coppershot come do? Me telling you, sir, copper flap on the name. And me tell you this, Sean. Not Sean Paul, you know, Selector Sean. I know you long time. You claim say your jaw fi cut if you lack garrison. Coppershot never need the vibes there. Coppershot a one good, nice juggling sound. They look nice better than a fit it. Me a tell you no, him a damage you no uptown now I see him. Two me a go deal with him a 45 me a use done him.
Jeffrey, I get my gun them together like a puzzle now. When me exercise my trigger finger muscle. The more fit is me want them know them can't so. If I want them home, tell them about the try.
You are the man. Hold on. Hold on.
Jazzy, don't try to keep me forward. Play it again. Play it again. Play it again.
Jeffrey, I get my gun them together like a puzzle now. When I exercise my
turn it up. I know who say Coppershot to go. Where behind them? Turn it up. Turn it up.
Tell them about the try.
Suck it. Let the people themselves. Let the people themselves. Watch him run, come up here. You see that little red something down your ear? And your woman left her menstruation in there. Let me tell you something. From night the boy that lippy. A 45 me I use skin him. He's not in the league. He's not near Magic Picnic. He's not near Jazzy. Let it go. Fire son.
Gangsters. Farmers perpetrators. Spine instigators. Them want to know the reason why my rap is on the ceiling. Now me good evening. Some boy just chat to it.
Yes, say something, Jazzy.
Remember, no Kanye and RAS this. Yo, my dads, put in that. Number 15. Yo, you see how I'm give Coppershot a blind? Don't it? RAS is fear. RAS and Biggy, big up yourself, cause them call your name from night. Me never call nobody name. Well, on Biggy. You see that soon, your RAS? Them feel so the uptown general afraid of people. All the way bounty killer go so. Me a play a bounty killer when none of them in your can play. Wanna believe me? Some man talk about bounty killer. Watch your mega dance for that tune now. Me and Links, play that.
Ha! Renaissance! I be a love them a bumble love man. Every man have gun, but on every man have gun.
And Renaissance and Links alone have this.
Go on to them. Look at them. Renaissance, man no pass when man no kill people. Now they get up, they talk.
Well, I know. I mean, run uptown, big up a Juicy crew, the whole family. Spirits crew, the whole family. No more can. Fireman.
Jazzy. Me like the bounty killer. No, him are the coward. Him are the coward. Him is not the coward. You don't see one brave man dead, you idiot. One take brave out and commit suicide. Jazzy, The bounty killer the bad. White name. Man no pause when man a kill P. Come here, come here. Forward, wrong talk. Wrong talk. Oh, your officer come here. Rephrase. Forward, Jazzy. Forward. Forward. What your better name? The one that make the remix then?
DJ Karim, my baddest thing.
The dancer I used to keep a mass camp. What the dance name?
Stainless.
Play the tune!
Hey yo, yellow, firelings, motherfucking niggas should know. There's nobody there, there's some nameless motherfucking niggas, shameless. Hacking like that, going on the game list. Hey yo, yellow, this one is
I'm about to kill a fans, go so. I'm about to kill a fans. I'm about to kill a fans.
Hey yo, Jay, hey. Hey yo, what up? Brooklyn in UK. Hey yo, United. I want them to steal this for nothing, say for people to leave a pen on them.
But well on the links, I wonder if that, you see that tune there? A DJ Karim dance it boss. Well on, let me show you something. You remember RAS 6 years ago? When Firelinks debuted him first time? When that tune I did play a RAS, all who rate Bounty Killer go so. The one I did build for RAS 6 years ago, listen.
Hey yo, yellow, Renaissance, let bygones be bygones. Motherfucking niggas, you know, we done them from here to St. Thomas. Hey yo, yellow,
turn lights to turn on me.
Motherfucking niggas, no, sit it up like some eyes. Hey yo, great mashup. We ain't gonna pass up. Hey yo, yellow, mystic is natural. Hey yo, yellow, hey yo, motherfucking niggas try to play.
Everybody look in that sky, look in that sky.
Smoke done clear, everybody done one. True, Renaissance is number one. The smoke done clear, everybody lives on. True, a sound boy.
Lord and that. Where we there? We there RAS down. All the way you're bound to kill a turbo RAS. Put up your gun finger so now. Where we there?
Wagwan ENT.